closer to the camera so you guys can see. I look like the Joker just, spat in my face and just replicated me like boom.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So
let's get to doing my makeup today. So it's going to join the league of the What's to Do makeup artist because I know it doesn't know anything about makeup. Okay, I'm going to start like this. Okay, but I'm sweating now. I'm not going to clean my face.
Jesus is Lord!
This one.
what's this?
Oh, look at green. Okay. He knows what is green. Let's hope so.
I want to apply lipstick after foundation.
I should mix it. Mix. I should blend it together.
Apostle, we hear of this.
What else do now? Okay. You want to apply my makeup now? Shoot. Let me go this way. What color are you using? Purple. Okay, same color on my lip. Let your audience see what you're doing now. Your good work. Show them. Now, don't start like the eyeliner. Okay. No, you're doing great. Wonderful. Let your audience see what you're doing. Guys, this is the first time I'll be doing it, so that's why. He said it's his first time doing it, so that's why I look like this. Okay, more foundation.
Hey! I hear me, take me, back me.
Okay, you want to do the two lipstick color.
A few moments later.
So am I going to leave it like this or yeah, I should do what should I do? See it. Like I show it. Are we done with the lipstick? It's not to add more. Okay, to cover the other color. Covering the dark color. Okay, I should blend it. See guys, I said I should blend it. I blended it. I've blended it. Yeah? Okay. Okay. Wow. Such a good observer. What are you doing? You're making it shine. But you're only using the brush now. You didn't take any highlighter or anything. No, come and show us before you use it. Come and show us what you want to use to make my... Okay, that's the highlighter. Yeah. Okay. Then apply it. Where will you apply it to? Your cheeks. Okay, you apply the highlighter to my cheeks. Okay, go on.
Will you keep quiet?
Wow. Highlighter. So I've been doing makeup wrong all these years. That is highlighter now. Okay. I'm not going to apply powder to my face. Okay. It's coming. Best makeup artist. In the whole of Lagos. Oh. Okay. I should hold it. Okay. Okay, you want to make it multicolored? Okay, multicolored eyes, guys. Multicolored eyes.
Child!
Multicolored eyes. Okay, you did one rainbow silver. Okay, you put silver here. Okay, yeah, true. I'm not going to add powder. No powder in your makeup. So, what colors? Where did you learn your makeup skills from? Who taught you? Definitely not me. Not me, right? Your first time of trying, so... Okay, so that's why you made me a clown. He tried his best, guys. Look at... See my eyeliner. But the lipstick is good. It said the lipstick is good. Wow. Okay guys, I really don't know how to tell him straight off. I have to send him outside. This makeup is nonsense. I can't believe he is watching me do makeup like so many times and yet he can't even do anything. Let me move closer to the camera so you guys can see. I look like the Joker just, spat in my face and just replicated me like boom. So guys, thank you all for watching. If you liked this episode, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you all in my next video. Bye.